these yours?
Oh.
Oh my. Cute.
Eggs are too expensive.
Right? No, I didn't. I missed ya. How's it going, Bob? Good.
Hey, get your microphone. Oh, wait, hang on.
Well, are you ready? Are you ready to talk? I think you are.
No interview.
I already got drone footage, so now I'm just gonna use this and put it all together. What?
You want me in? You want me in it? Get back in.
Yeah, take a first spin.
Oh, crap.
Pretty fragile, huh?
Cilantro. Whose camera am I on? The camera right there.
Mine. Mine's the only one that matters.
We got an introduction over here.
$5 boxes for 20 bucks.
Yeah.
30. On Bob. Bob's buying. He just said.
Oh, it looks like a 20. Gotta be gone by today.
Fire sale. Where's your car anyway, Bob? The blue one, huh? Okay. I know that's not yours. Yours is pink. Here's the new hot rod, Nathan's. Your dad's trying to claim it's his, but I know better. He'd be what? Yeah, he would. You're right.
Hang around a little bit longer.
Oh, I see a lot of shit on Facebook, so I know there's a lot of shit talking going on. Right? Most this season, driver. Hey, you can't run away. You're part of this, you know. You got these fancy wheels here.
I'd like to not get my shit destroyed every night. That'd be cool.
I didn't
start out with that.
I didn't know you were gonna do that license plate till I just saw it. That's pretty cool.
B1 on there, you know.
Yeah.
Driver happy.
That's right.
Driver.
You don't want to piss him off.
No, the real driver.
The real driver? You're the fake driver?
I'm just the wannabe driver.
The wannabe driver?
Half-ass. Fill in. Yeah. For sure.
lug nut fell off over here. Oh, jeez.
You mean they're not supposed to do that? Oh, wow.
Might want to take it.
Well, pretend we didn't see that. Didn't see anything. Nope. I caught nothing. Yeah, I'm editing it all right.
Zoom in on it and get it.
Zoom in on what? That lug nut that fell off? Oh, I wouldn't do that.
They're all on there.
I would never.
They're all on there, man.
Yeah, those are all on there too.
Yeah. Where you parked at, Brad?
How's it going, Jerry? Y'all guys all ready?
No, one more to get done.
One more? Oh,
Mine's not here.
yours isn't? Oh, save the best for last?
Too busy with the boys this time.
Yeah.
Got the boys come first.
Yeah, you're a good daddy. You guys just need a great big stacker hauler, so you just haul them all at once, right? Hey, how's it going? Good. I'm not recording, don't worry. I'm pretending. I'm just gonna hold my camera like this and, you know, just carry. Then they'll act natural. They won't see anything stupid. I won't see any lug nuts fall off wheels. Oh, this is Jed's new ride. Badass P7.
How you doing?
Hey, Ronnie.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. What's that, buddy? Whose car is this? Who's ours? What's the guy's name? What's his name? Ross? Ross who?
Ooh, great day.
Yeah, that's
Good turnout.
It is a good turnout, and it's not windy.
No, that's perfect.
Yeah.
I was just in Vegas in the desert, and this is warmer.
Is it?
Yeah, I froze my behind off.
We went out there for a race. We went out there for quite a few races. Actually, Joe was there, and it snowed one day out there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, in Vegas, it snowed. And I said to one of the locals, they said, I said, I never seen it snow in the desert. And then they looked at me and they said, oh, it snows here once in a while. And I was like, I couldn't believe it.
I could see it snowing in the mountains when I was there,
literally
but
right downtown Las Vegas, we were downtown.
oh,
and it was
yuck.
snowing.
You know, the whole country's out of whack.
We watched the race from the hotel.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we didn't even go to the race. We watched the
I don't
race
blame
from the
ya.
hotel, from the sports field. Yeah.
Oh.
It was so cold.
Yeah. Well, I spent half a day just warming back up.
So how I so this is how the old guys did it. You stab here and then you stab here. And then we that's how the young guys, they just go put their leg right up in there and step right in. They just go right in there. The old guys gotta use the tire, and then I stand up here and then I slide down.
That looks comfy. Are y'all wore out? Your dad working you too hard? Hey, TJ.
Sorry, it's audio.
That's all right.